Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete files from your history in Remaker AI. So how do you find your history and how do you download that? Now, you want to go ahead and find the AI tool or app that you are currently using, or the AI tool that you've used. So let's say I want to download images from which I created in AI image generator. I can click on that, and from here I will be able to see my history. So if you look towards the lower right hand side, you can see your history, and that is basically for any one of the tools that you have used. So you are able to open them and see the history on the right hand side. In some cases you might need to switch between the tabs that says, like, will show, for example, my creation or something like that. You will see it's pretty clear and you will be able to see your generation. Now, in order to delete any file from your history, just simply click on them and you'll have the delete button. Click on delete, and are you sure? Just go ahead and delete. So that's it, guys. You just want to go ahead and click on the delete button to delete the files, and that's how you delete. Keep in mind that you don't have to worry yourself too much about deleting them, because after 30 days it will be deleted. From here, in some areas it will be 7 days, and so it's really important that you download those files if you need them, so that they don't automatically get deleted. And right here it says the history can save a maximum of 80 generated results, and every image will be deleted after 7 days. However, in some cases, for example, if you generate videos, it is stored there for 30 days. So you want to ensure that you check this for each of those AI tools to see how much days it will store there, and if you want to download them or if you want to have them deleted automatically. And so it's important for you to check these, because it is not the same for each of the tools. So you want to check those. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and delete your history or images or delete files within the AI tool. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just quickly show you as well. If you go back to, for example, if you go to video generation, I'm going to show you, for example, how that actually work as well. So let me go to image to video and let's show you. So I will have some video here. See, for example, this section, it shows explore and it shows my creation. So to find my histories on the my creation, and to delete one, you can see right here that it shows delete button. I just need to click on delete, then click OK, and that's how I actually delete it. Now, if I scroll on to the bottom, you can see here this is a different instruction or info. The result will automatically be deleted after 30 days. So it's slightly different. So you want to ensure that you check those as well. But that's it.